Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an ice cream stick ninja star. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need about 8 to 10 standard ice cream sticks. A hot glue gun with several glue sticks is essential for secure assembly. Also, have a pair of scissors handy for any minor adjustments. Make sure you have a clear, flat surface to work on, ensuring a smooth crafting experience from start to finish. Now, let's start building the individual components. Take 2 ice cream sticks and cross them over each other to form an X shape. Apply a small dot of hot glue right at the center where they intersect, pressing firmly to secure them. You'll need to make 4 of these identical X units. This step is crucial for the star's structural integrity, so take your time to ensure each one is stable and well bonded. With your 4 X units ready, it's time to assemble the star. Take 2 of your X units and arrange them so their ends overlap, forming a larger, more complex star pattern. Apply hot glue to the points where the stick ends meet and press them together. Then, carefully interlock the remaining 2 X units into the structure, ensuring all 8 points are evenly spaced. Secure every new intersection with a small amount of glue for a strong hold. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your ice cream stick ninja star. Carefully inspect all the glued joints to ensure they are strong and secure. If you find any weak spots, apply a little more hot glue. Use your scissors to trim away any stray glue strands for a neat and polished look. You can also personalize your star by painting it or adding decorations. Now you have a cool, handmade ninja star, ready for display or gentle play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.